Start by finding a comfortable seat. Allow yourself to begin to relax. And now becoming aware of the fact that you are breathing. Notice the breath beginning and ending. Be aware of the space between the breath in and the breath out, and the space as the breath out turns into the next breath in, staying with the entire length of the breath, only needing to follow this one breath right now. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment, letting go of the thought, sensation, or feeling that pulled the mind away before returning your focus back to the natural flow of your breathing. And as you breathe in, be aware that you're breathing in. As you breathe out, be aware that you're breathing out. As our session comes to an end, slowly bringing your attention back to the room, and whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes.